Hey there, future real estate moguls. Welcome back to another episode of Real Property 101. Today, I'm diving into some foundational concepts that every real estate pro needs to know. We're talking about land, ownership rights, and those pesky legal limits. So, grab a pen and paper and let's get started. First up, let's clarify what we mean by real property. Real property includes land and anything permanently attached to it, like buildings or trees. It's different from personal property, which includes movable items like furniture or cars. Think of it this way. If you can pick it up and take it with you, it's personal property. If it's fixed to the ground, it's real property. Now let's talk ownership rights. When you own real property, you have what's called a bundle of rights. These include the right to possess, control, enjoy, exclude others, and dispose of the property. Imagine you own a house. You can live in it, rent it out, or even sell it. But you can also keep others out. That's your right of exclusion. Switching gears a bit, let's discuss the economic and physical characteristics of real property. Economically, real property is valuable because it's scarce, immovable, and can appreciate over time. Physically, it's unique. No two parcels of land are exactly the same, even if they're side by side. This uniqueness is what often drives the value of real estate. But with great power comes great responsibility. As a real estate professional, you'll face some limitations under the law. You can't just do whatever you want with a property. Zoning laws, environmental regulations, and property taxes are just a few factors you need to consider. It's also important to remember that you must always disclose any known defects about a property to potential buyers. So, to wrap it up, understanding the concepts of land, ownership rights, and legal limits is crucial in real estate. Knowing the difference between real and personal property will help you navigate transactions smoothly. And being aware of your legal limitations will ensure you stay on the right side of the law. It's your turn to describe the physical characteristics of the land. Alright, that's it for today's session on Real Property 101. Until next time, keep learning and stay motivated. See you in the next video.